What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be unboxing this WWE Gentleman Jack Gallagher figure. Elite 56. I'm really excited about getting this figure. I didn't get any of the others in the set because, I didn't really see him, and I'm not bothered about the Samoa Joe Roman Reigns. It's a very, very cool figure. And here. So this is the side of the box where Gentleman Jack is showing Gentleman Jack's face. And here, so my first ever figure of the new packaging. It's 2018 now, and first unboxing video of 2018. It's really, really exciting. That's the side of the box open. So I think this is going to have some of the exclusive dioramas. So my first ever drawing dioramas here, and then push it against it here. And you can slip this in. The only thing with the series is I'm not a fan of collecting all of the series, and I'm more like just getting the figures you want, not the ones you have to get to do the thing. This is a very, very awesome background. I'm going to use that for NWA wrestling on the stage. So here's the figure. It looks amazing. The face scan is amazing. Get the umbrella out. Okay, this is one of the reasons why I needed to pick up this figure. An umbrella. It can fit in the hands of any wrestling action figure. Just pick up any random one here. It will fit in the hand of Jimmy Andrew Neidhart. It can just walk to the ring. So it's a very, very good accessory to have, especially for this man. I really hope that they don't stop doing the accessories for Elite. So I know they stopped doing them for basics. Sorry, I accidentally just knocked the camera there. Okay, so I'm trying to get the figure out. Here's the figure. It's a really nice figure, very detailed as he would be. And I'm just going to give one thing out, which I probably might have to make happen at WrestleMania. He's going to have to end up fighting TJP, the Cruiserweight Champion. TJ, looking this one over here, just at the back. The Cruiserweight Champion to become the new one. So this is a very, very good figure for me to have. I love it. And let's start reviewing it right now after the unboxing. So, original, he's got a fist and a hand to hold a microphone in, as well as a perfect hand for holding his umbrella. He's got a very, very nice detail on his face to look like the real Gentleman Jack Gallagher. He's got so he's got the moustache. He's got the hair coming down just above his eyes, so it spikes out a little bit. He's got very nice articulation on the trunks. Here you see he's got the lion for the symbol of England, my country, and here's his socks. His boots, them socks are really nice. Of course, he's got, if he's an Elite figure, he goes like that. And his legs are double jointed, so, and his legs also swirl around somehow, yeah, like that. And the thing about it, when you get a new figure, you gotta get used to playing with it because it doesn't always fit perfectly. So, I really do hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in next unboxing figures and WWE wrestling, or maybe some gaming videos. You never know what I will do next. So, bye guys.